Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting something very powerful, something that can completely change the way you learn English. Our topic is speak English every day. Not someday, not next month, not when your grammar becomes perfect every day. Because fluency does not come from learning English. Fluency comes from using English. Many people spend years studying English but still feel afraid to speak. Why? Because they collect knowledge but they do not create a speaking habit. In this series, we will learn how to make English a daily habit and how daily practice can transform your confidence and fluency. Let us begin. Lesson 1. Stop preparing forever. Many learners stay in preparation mode. They watch videos, they learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary, but they never start speaking. They keep waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment never comes. The truth is simple. You learn to speak by speaking, not by waiting, not by planning, not by worrying. Action creates confidence. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. Speak with the English you already know. Even simple sentences are enough. Every fluent speaker started with broken English. The difference is they kept going. Lesson 2. Build a daily speaking habit. Most people practice English only when they feel motivated. This is a mistake. Motivation changes every day. Habits stay. Choose a small speaking goal. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That is enough. Speak every day. Talk about your morning. Talk about your plans. Talk about your dreams. Talk about your day. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is daily English. Small daily practice becomes a powerful habit, and habits create fluency. Lesson 3. Use English in real life. English becomes stronger when it becomes useful. Do not keep English inside books. Bring it into your life. Use English while shopping. Use English while writing notes. Use English while making plans. Use English while thinking. The more useful English becomes, the more natural it feels. Learning becomes easier. Practice becomes automatic. English becomes part of your routine. This is where real progress starts. Lesson 4. Stop being afraid of mistakes. Fear is the biggest enemy of fluency. Many learners know the answer, but they stay silent. Why? Because they are afraid of making mistakes. Remember this. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every mistake teaches something. Every mistake moves you forward. Nobody learns a language without mistakes. Not children, not adults, not fluent speakers. The people who improve fastest are not the people who make fewer mistakes. They are the people who keep speaking despite mistakes. Courage creates fluency. Lesson 5. Listen like a learner. Good speakers are usually good listeners. Listening trains the brain. Listening improves pronunciation. Listening improves vocabulary. Listening improves confidence. Listen to English every day. Short videos, podcasts, interviews, motivational content, stories, anything you enjoy. Do not worry about understanding everything. Focus on understanding more than yesterday. Progress happens slowly, but it happens every day. Lesson 6. Think in English. Many learners translate every sentence. This makes speaking slow. Instead, start thinking in English. Use simple thoughts. I am tired. I am happy. I need water. Today is a busy day. Small thoughts create a powerful habit. Soon your brain starts using English naturally. Speaking becomes faster. Confidence becomes stronger. Translation becomes unnecessary. English starts feeling normal. Lesson 7. Stay consistent. This is the most important lesson. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats motivation. Consistency beats intelligence. You do not need to study for hours. You only need to stay connected, even on busy days, even on difficult days, even when you do not feel motivated. Do something small. Listen for 2 minutes, speak for 3 minutes, read one paragraph. Never break the connection. Daily contact keeps English alive, and what stays alive continues to grow. A powerful truth. Fluency is not a destination, it is a lifestyle. The people who become fluent are not always the smartest. They are the most consistent. They keep showing up. They keep practicing. They keep improving, one day at a time. Final message. English is not something you master in one day. English is something you build every day. The secret is simple. Speak more, fear less, practice daily, trust the process, stay consistent, and never stop learning. If this video helped you, like it. Share it with someone who wants to improve their English. And subscribe to our channel for daily English motivation and learning. Your English journey starts today.